Meet Ramp, the spend management platform that makes finance frictionless.
You can now use Ramp and Microsoft Teams Copilot to instantly analyze expenses. Ask Ramp to look for ways to consolidate spend and set spend guardrails, all from within Microsoft Teams. Set granular policy limits for merchants and categories on every employee card to prevent overspending. You can even automate reminders to employees for missing items, so you can speed up your month-end close. Add Ramp Copilot to Microsoft Teams to start saving time and money today.